do is say no. You can bring anything in.
I know. Just one guy, we used to like see him every single time we go through. He'd be like, "What's the magic word?" And we'd be like, "No fruits and vegetables." And be like, "Okay, you're good."
Yep, have a good one.
Ginger, look at me. Look at me, Gigi. Ginger. Ginger, what are you doing? Don't wag your tail. What are you doing, you weirdo? Hey. Are you pretending like you can't hear me, bud? I know you can hear me. I know you can, you weirdo. Ginger. Hi, Sissy. Hi. Oh, what are you doing? Look at your little baby belly. What are you doing? Just gonna have food. Hey. Hey. You. Ginger.
Hey,
Good morning. What are you doing? Huh? You crazy? Huh? You silly girl? She was just like snuggling. Huh? Come here. You silly girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Bye. What? What did you do?
What's up, guys? I just woke up. It's kind of late. I was tired and I stayed up late last night. Me and Macy are staying at different houses right now while we're home for the holidays. So I'm going to vlog a little bit. But I just thought I'd start the day off. I'm about to play some Xbox while all my family is at school and at work. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm adding on to yesterday's vlog, so I just want to give you guys a little update about what happened yesterday. We didn't get that much footage because we drove another part of the way home, and then we stopped, and Zach's dad works at a prison, so he gave us a tour of that. And we couldn't have any cameras. We couldn't even have our phone in there. So we didn't get any footage from that. I think I might have got a short clip like before we started driving in there, just like of the road. So if I did, I'll be sure to insert that here. And I will insert the rest of the footage, the little bit of footage that we got yesterday. But so we did that, and then we drove the rest of the way home, and then he dropped me off at my house with my family, and then he went to his sister's Christmas party and did stuff with his family. I haven't even seen him or really talked to him that much yet today. I probably won't see him today either, so he's gonna try to send me footage of stuff that he does, and then I will add that in. my plan for today is I'm going to be cleaning my room. I haven't cleaned it in like 3 months because I haven't been living here. My sister has been staying in my room though, so it's kind of a mess. Someone like brought in a big bag of clothes and just like kind of dumped it out and left it there. And I took most of like my furniture and stuff that like stored all my stuff away, like up to Eugene. So because of that, like my room was just a disaster. I don't have anywhere to put anything. I don't even have like my bedding. I took all my bedding up there too. So it's just really unorganized and not very pretty. So I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit better, hopefully. So I will show you guys that in a second, but basically that's what I'm going to be doing today. I will try to vlog a little bit like later this evening when my family gets home, maybe. As you can see, this lovely Christmas tree on the wall that my mom made. We had like a tinsel tree, so it was like the silver tinsel, but when Amazon like sent it to us, it was broken, so we kept it until like after Christmas because it was too late to order anything by then, and then we returned it. And so she just I think she pinned this tinsel onto the wall in the shape of a Christmas tree and added some ornaments, and it looks so cute. And there's some other little decorations I can show you guys later. So yeah, I just want to point that out really quick. But as far as my room, I will kind of update you guys as I go along with that, and then it will be more of a vlog style. So anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling, but that was why we didn't have a vlog for yesterday, because we just didn't get any footage. We really couldn't, and then it was pouring raining on the way home and we were exhausted. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the cleaning. Okay, so here's the situation with the room. I just have random blankets on my bed to sleep with because it gets really cold at night. I don't have a comforter. These sheets are my old sheets I had, but there's really no theme to it. I have some random stuff back here that I wanted to sell before I left, and it just didn't happen. This stuff, I have no clue where it came from. The trains need to go away in the closet. There's just random clothes on the floor. The rug needs to be washed. This stuff needs to go in a donate pile or get rid of pile. My closet is like empty. These are the clothes that I don't wear as often, or that I just wanted to save for when I come home. So I have some clothes to wear. The books are pretty much fine. This, I just need to shove that stuff back farther. It's stuff that I don't use that often, so that will close. And then this is a giant mess. I don't have any. I used to have like, this is an even bigger mess. I used to have 2 like 3-drawer carts under here that I had all this stuff in. But those are up in Oregon now, so like I just need to go through all this stuff. Most of it I'm probably gonna get rid of. These need to come up. I didn't have room in the car for these. So yeah, it's just a huge mess. It just needs to be reorganized and like decluttered, so that way it will all fit somewhere, since I don't have that storage stuff anymore. This, someone just threw in here, and I need to unpack my suitcase since I'm going to be home for like 3 weeks. This is like a bag of clothes that came from my cousin's. Someone just, you know, ripped it open on my dresser and left it there. My makeup I need to put away. I just did my makeup. And then these clothes, I have no clue where they came from or why they're just randomly sitting on my desk making a mess. And the trash needs to be taken out because apparently nobody has done that. My sister has been staying in my room just because it's warmer in here and the bed's bigger. And this just needs to be straightened up. So, and Ginger looks so cute. Hi, Sissy. So yeah, it's just a very unorganized mess. And I'm not looking forward to cleaning it. I'm doing it because I know my sister won't. this is my cap from graduation. My little duck fell off. I thought this was like so perfect, you know, because I go to the U of O. But it fell off. So, that's cool. But it's still cute. And here's me procrastinating. So, yeah, I'm just gonna get started and stop rambling.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call. I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. The away list got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding that, and it all stops now.
So, I found Ginger's stash under my bed. So that's cool.
No more pieces of me. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. The away list got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding that, and it all stops now.
What's up, man? Or what's up, guys? We're at my little cousin's basketball game in Eureka. Just got over. Forgot to vlog, so we're vlogging. We're wearing Santa Claus hats and jingle bells. But yeah, kind of forgot to vlog today.
Light up and everything.
So Macy said she's gonna combine it with yesterday's. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.
Peace.
Okay, guys, so my room is pretty much clean. Like, this is all clean. This is just, like, this just all needs to be sorted. This stuff here is trash, and that stuff there just needs to go back on the shelf. The shelf's pretty much clean. I just need to push that stuff in the back over. And then over here, this stuff is trash, and that stuff is to donate. So it's like 7 o'clock now, though, which means I need to start editing tonight's vlog. So I don't really have time to finish cleaning and showing you guys all of that. But if you want to see it like completely done, my bed's not made either. I am gonna finish it, I promise. I got really like burnt out. I'm gonna eat some dinner and edit the vlog, and yeah, so I will see you guys sorry, I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Hopefully it'll be more interesting than today's. Hopefully Zach actually vlogged. He did send me like one little clip of him from this morning, so hopefully he got more. But if not, I apologize that this video is not very entertaining, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.